SCP-125 is contained first by denying it a clear reflection. Its polished silver-plated brass support stays in padded storage under fine nylon mesh. The room is kept dark, and its metal surfaces are dulled. When no experiment runs, staff watch only through infrared and ultraviolet lighting. Inside controlled experiments, every reflective object becomes a risk. Mirrors, polished pens, sunglasses, laptop shells, and glass must stay out of the room. A report of black dots is treated as a breach sign. ETA 10 and SCI 7 go on standby while contaminated personnel enter Protocol 125B. The entity is described as a being that can exist only inside reflections. It is not a smear on glass, but a presence bound to reflected light. At rest, SCP-125 is a black circle 17.2 mm wide. It stays perfectly round from every angle and shows no shadow or highlight. Visible light and infrared reveal almost nothing. Ultraviolet observations are redacted, while instruments still measure a minute, constant X-ray emission. SCP-125 can move across a continuous reflective curve, but scratches, frosted patches, and etched interruptions stop it from crossing. When a reflection offers a route around a corner, SCP-125 can jump. Metal-backed glass mirrors are avoided because both layers can become paths. SCP-125 can host on many accurate reflections, from polished wood to still liquid. If forced below its own area, it turns translucent and vanishes. The entity behaves as if it dislikes being touched or hidden. It moves rapidly, jumps when it can, and resists any attempt to reduce its freedom. SCP-125 even flees complex threats expressed aloud. That suggests human language comprehension, though no return communication is known. On ordinary support, SCP-125 is harmless and cannot multiply. Its danger begins when it reaches the living reflective surface of an animal cornea. Once on the cornea, the disc shrinks to 1/10 its normal diameter. At 1.72 mm, it can begin multiplying inside living tissue. As corneal multiplication accelerates, the victim reports seeing dots. Unlike surface movement, this phase can infect a potentially unlimited number of surfaces. Within 5 to 9 days, the infestation can blind the eye. Afterward, eye and optic nerve cells undergo mass apoptosis, leaving an abscess. Irregular outbreaks still occur. The source leaves two possibilities: a natural phenomenon or something spread across the planet before written history. Protocol 125B keeps contaminated personnel away from duty until the corneal instance is inert. Covering the eye prevents further spread. SCP-125 remains Euclid, controllable only by reflection denial, dangerous in living corneas, and still linked to irregular outbreaks beyond the site.